Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this exhibition stall. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, again I'll go over here. I'll again take one more a chamfer box over here. Right from the top. So I'll go into this. Let's just increase this height, or I can just place it in this way. Again I'll go to the top view over here. I'll take a cylinder. So let's go into this. Reduce the height segments. Convert to poly. And let's give inset over here and slightly extrude it down. Now what I can do over here is like I'll copy this. Let's go to the top view. I'll just shift and drag it. I'll make a copy of it. So I'll just shift and drag it. So once it is done, again I'll go over here. Already almost done everything. Instead of these chairs, I'll change the chairs over here. So as you can see, the chairs are a bit different. So I'll go over here and I'll take a line tool. I'll just take a line tool over here like this. I'll go into rendering, enable in viewport. I'll make it as rectangular. I'll slightly convert to poly. Select the edges. Let's give connect. Now again I'll go into this. Let's take a swift loop over here. And let's give a mesh smooth over here. So I'll just assign a mesh smooth. So convert to poly. FFD box. So I'll go into this. Slightly I can scale it. I'll again go to the top over here. Alright. And let's drag this out. I'll just shift this up. So once you're done, again I'll go over here and let's take a line over here like this. And I'll make it as radial over here. Let's select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet to it. So I'll slightly add a bit of fillet over here. I'll slightly rotate it in this way and I'll press shift and I'll rotate it in this way. So let's just group this over here. I'll isolate this, and very important, I'll just delete all these chairs over here. Let's delete these chairs and I'll go over here. I'll just place these chairs. I'll slightly resize it. Okay. So I'll just shift it in this way. I'll go into hierarchy, effect pivot only. I'll place it at the center. So we have changed the chairs over here. I'll go into this. Let's set it to 90 over here. Alright. Again, I'll duplicate this. I'll place it over here and let's rotate it randomly. Again, I'll duplicate this. Alright. So we can just copy this. We have just copied it and placed it. So let's go again over here. I'll be creating some lights. So auto grid, I'll activate it. Let's take a light. Convert to poly. Insert it. And again extrude it a bit. Inside. So again I'll duplicate it. Again press shift and drag it. So again I'll save the file. So I'll go over here. I'll create a door. So let's go over here. So let's take a sphere. So let's convert it to poly. And let's select the polygons. I'll cap it. Again, I'll select this faces. Let's bevel it. Again, I'll select this, delete it, cap it, and insert it. And extrude it. Alright. Sand isolated, I'll just put the shape in this way. For the lock, I can use a cut over here if needed. I can slightly extrude it over here. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.